Hello everyone, this is a beautiful day. Good afternoon to you all and welcome to the amazing world of linear equations. Today we are going to deep dive into solving linear equations. By the end of our lesson today, we will be able to solve multi-step linear equations in one variable with rational coefficient, as well as solve linear equations whose solutions require expanding an expression and collecting the like terms. Okay, good. So quick warm up. We go straight into this website. Alright, so tell me, do you think this scale is balanced? Why, Mia? Okay, it's not balanced because the left side has 3 boxes and the other side has 2. Good. Alright, so what do you think we can do to rebalance it? Yes, Rex? Good. Add one more bigger box. So let's try and see. Oh, a smaller one. Good. So, bingo. Scale is balanced. So when you look at our equal sign, it is now green. The other one has a cross over it. That means that whatever that was on the left side was not equal to whatever that was on the right side, but it's now highlighted green, meaning that the equation is balanced. So all our equation is balancing. This balancing will be learned in science. So take critical note of it. It means that whatever that is found on the left side of the equal sign is now equal or same as whatever that is found on the right side of the equal sign. So that is about equation. Now one thing is that this equation was introduced to us way back in primary school in this form. In primary school, we'll be given questions like a number plus a mystery box. That means there is something in that mystery box. When we add it to these two, we should get 10. So how do we find it? Alright, to help me do this, I have a dice. I have dice here. Okay, so let's use the die to help us. We have 1, 2, representing the number that is already here. So let's find the mystery number. We are going to top up the 2 until we get to 10. So let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's separate our 2. We put our 1, 2 aside. Let's count what is left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That means that our mystery number is revealed. Our mystery number is revealed as 8. It means the missing number that makes this equation complete is 8. Okay, but up here, you are not given mystery boxes. You'll be given letters. What are these letters used in mathematics called? Yes. Not quite. Come again. Okay, come another time. Yes, Leah. Very good. Variable. Excellent. So these letters used in mathematics are called variables. Why? Because they are subject to change. They are the mystery numbers that we are supposed to find. Okay? So this is how a linear equation comes in form. We have a x plus b equals 0. Now each term has its own name. This a attached to the letters are called coefficients. Alright, then the letters are called variables subject to change. Then we have the constant terms. They are constants because they remain the same. They remain unchanged. For example, in our 2 plus box equals to 10. This is a constant. Why is it a constant? Because it remains unchanged. Once you change it, it is no more balanced. So assuming we have our 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. But let's change it to 3. Do we have 10? No, we have 11. The equation is unbalanced. That is why the constant terms do not change. Okay, so let's continue. Alright, so let's look at this example. This equation has one solution. That means we are going only one step to find a solution. 3x minus 1 equals 14. Now, to make 3x stand alone, we add plus 1 to both sides. So this plus 1 is going to cancel out the negative 1 so that 3x stands alone. Now we have 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 gives us 15. Okay? So we have 3x is equal to 15. What do? We divide both sides by 3, which is the coefficient, to do away with the coefficient, making the variable stand alone. So 3 cancels 3 out, then leaving the x. Now 3 into 15. Yes, Alice? Good. 5. So our final answer is 5. This can be solved in another way. That is what we call the grouping-like terms. So let's see how it goes. 3x minus 1 equals 14. How do we group like terms? This is a constant, this is constant. So we let all the constant elements go to one side. So we have 3x equals to 14. When this negative 1 crosses over the equal sign, it becomes a plus. So plus 1. So 3x equals to 15. You divide both sides by 3. This side also by 3. Now 3 crosses out 3, leaving the x equals to 3 into 15. That is 5. So same answer. Now the final thing we are going to take a look is equation that involves brackets. When an equation involves brackets, what we do is that we expand to remove the brackets. Okay, so that is the first thing to note. In board maths, we have bracket, and bracket means to multiply. So we multiply to help us do away with the bracket. So let's take a look at the first question. We have 4x, which is in the bracket, minus 3 equals to negative 6. Okay, how do we expand to remove the bracket? Yes, Leah. So you multiply 4 by whatever that is in the bracket. So this times the x, and then 4 again, multiplied by negative 3. So 4 times x will give us 4x, and then by 3 will give us, because there is a minus, take note of the minus sign. 12 equals to negative 6. Oh. Negative 6. Well done. Alright, so we group like terms, we make 4x stands alone, then remove the constant terms to one side. So equals negative 6. Now when this negative 12 crosses the equal sign, what does it make? Yes, Rex. Plus 12. Good job. So now we have positive 12 and a negative 6. If you add, what do you get? So 4x equals 2 positive 6. What do we do next? Divide both sides by 4. If 4 cancels out, we have x equals to. Can 4 go directly into 6? No. Good job. What do? We can simplify. Good. When we simplify by a common factor, so common factor of 6 and 4, 2. 2 goes into 4, 2, and into 6, 3. So we have 3 out of 2. If you want to change this to a decimal, how do we do it? Long divide. Okay, so 2, and then the bus stop method. I hope you remember the bus stop method. So 2 goes into 3 how many times? 1. 2, 1, 2. Easy peasy. So there's a remainder of 1. Can 2 go into 1? No. What do we do? Good. We add a 0. And then we put a point. 2 go into 10 how many times? 5. So 2, 5 will give us 10. And then, so our final answer is 1.5. Well done, everybody. That was amazing. Alright, so our next thing to do as you try out these questions, okay? So do them. After, we are going to exchange our books and then see how we were able to solve these questions. You've been so amazing throughout this lesson, and I'm so proud of you guys. So start for you.